One of the topics here at COP28 was how can we best unlock sustainable finance for nature-based solutions. In recent days, we've been involved in discussions and side events focusing on financial challenges that need to be addressed to scale, but also to bring more action to such solutions that are targeting disaster risk reduction and climate change adaptation. We've seen from practice that nature-based solutions are indeed very cost efficient. However, challenges remain. We need to better understand how to measure and evaluate the benefits of those solutions. We also need to learn how to best translate those benefits into financial mechanisms or combine it with risk transfer solutions. We also have to look at the place-based complexities, localized climate risks, localized vulnerabilities. So these are all challenges we need to address. However, in face of uncertainty, for vulnerabilities, but also climate risks, nature-based solutions can be considered as a no-regret option that goes way beyond disaster risk reduction and climate change adaptation.